You should be on page 209 in your book. Miss Hodgins spent $80 on movie tickets and drinks for her son and his friends. The total cost of X movie tickets and Y drinks is represented by the equation 8X plus 4Y equals 80. Complete the steps below to write the equation in slope-intercept form. To write the equation in slope-intercept form, remember slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. So we're going to circle our 4y. Can't touch it, what can I touch? Opposite of positive 8x is negative 8x, so I'm going to subtract 8x from both sides. My 8x minus 8x is 0, so I have 4y. Remember to put this in slope-intercept form, I'm going to flip my 80 and my 8x. So if I read it left to right, I have 80 minus 8x. The 80 is positive, the 8 is negative. So when I flip it, my 8 is still going to be negative, and my 80 is still going to be positive. Back to my y, what is currently being done between my 4 and my y? Opposite of multiplication is division, so I'm going to divide by 4. And remember, we need to divide everything by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1, so that leaves me with y. Negative 8 divided by 4 is negative 2. 80 divided by 4 is 20. So I have the equation y equals negative 2x plus 20. Remember, negative 2 is the slope, and 20 is the y-intercept. Negative 2 is the slope, and 20 is the y-intercept. Number 2 says to graph the equation. So if I want to graph the equation, remember we're going to start with our y-intercept first. My slope was negative 2 over 1. My y-intercept was 20. I'm going to graph the 20 first, so I'm going to go up to 20 on my y-axis. From there, I'm going to go down to 1, 2, and over 1. I'm going to go ahead and do that again, going down 2 and over 1. Notice my graph is scaled by 4s. So going down 8 over 4 is the same thing as going down 2 and over 1. The last question is, what does the point 0, 20 represent? So if I think what it means, if you go back to the original description, it says the total cost of X movie tickets and Y drinks. So X represents movie tickets, Y represents drinks. So if she bought 0 tickets, that means that she could buy 20 drinks.